Hello, my name is Abigail Shawver, and today I will be taking a look into meiosis and why your grandmother is technically your mother. Let's get into it. Alright, let's talk about the cellular division in meiosis. So, the egg cell, the largest cell in a human body, joins with a sperm cell in meiosis to create a zygote, a new and complete cell. That zygote then begins to replicate and make more cells just like it, until it eventually moves into the uterus where it attaches to the uterine lining, and thus blood and oxygen and other nutrients are supplied to that clump of cells so it can grow into a fetus and eventually be born into a human and grow and develop into someone just like me. Those cells that were in the beginning, that zygote, eventually create liver cells, heart cells, lung cells, skin cells, any other cell that you can imagine. Now, knowing this information, let's look into what I said earlier, why your grandmother is technically your mother. So, as I mentioned, that zygote becomes every single cell in your body, and women are born with their egg cells. Therefore, your grandmother, when she was creating your mother, also created your mother's egg cells, and thus she created you. You are half of your mother's DNA, which was found in that egg cell, and therefore, by creating that, your grandmother made half of you. Now, this is interesting as it plays a very unique role in genetics, in why I look like my sister, why I look like my grandmother, but why I also look like my father. Now, this can also help us learn about meiosis, and it definitely provides a unique take and an interesting perspective in looking into meiosis as well as genetics. And for this, I used the National Geographic Society, The Incredible Machine, which just takes a look into the human body. But I also relied on knowledge from my previous biology and anatomy courses. Thank you.